This first question asks us, what is the value of x in the solution to the system of equations below? So I have 6x plus 3y equals 13 and 3x minus y equals 4, and several answer choices which all represent the value of x in the solution to the system. You could solve this using substitution or elimination, or even matrices if you choose, but I'm going to go ahead and get y by itself in both equations, and use the TI84 graphing calculator to find the intersection of the two lines for me. Let's go ahead and get started. So for the first equation, we've got 6x plus 3y equals 13. And for that one, let's go ahead and copy that down. So 6x plus 3y equals 13. To get y by itself, I'm going to subtract 6x from both sides since it's a positive 6x. So 6x minus 6x cancels, leaving us with 3y on the left-hand side is equal to a negative 6x, and that's a positive 13, so I'm going to write plus 13. Now to get y by itself, it's 3 times y, so I need to do the opposite, divide both sides by 3. 3 over 3 is 1y, or just y, equal to negative 6 over 3 x, and then plus 13 over 3. I'm going to leave the fractions in place because the calculator is going to simplify that for me in a second. So for the second equation, 3x minus y equals 4. We can solve for y by subtracting 3x from both sides, leaving us with negative y equal to negative 3x plus 4, since it's positive 4. And to get rid of the negative on the y, I'm going to divide everything by negative 1. So negative over negative leaves us with positive y. Negative 3 over negative 1 leaves us with positive 3x. Plus 4 over negative 1 leaves us with minus 4. So we have our two equations. Let's go ahead and get our graphing calculator. And let's type in those equations. So get your calculator, turn it on. And I want you to go to the upper left-hand corner of your calculator, the y equals button. So y equals right up here. And type in negative 6 over 3x. So that's going to be negative. Notice the negative is below the 3. So negative 6 over 3. To get the over, I hit the divide by button, which is above the times. So 6 divided by 3, x. And then it was plus 13 over 3. Plus 13 over 3. Now for the second equation, we're going to type in 3x minus 4, so 3. Again, the x button is next to the green alpha button, so 3x. Subtract 4. Press enter. You always use subtract when you're separating two numbers or a number and a letter. So 3x subtract 4. And we're going to hit the graph button. So we hit graph. And we can kind of see where the two lines intersect. And we could guesstimate from there, but I'm going to find the exact intersection. So to do that, you're going to type second, trace, which is in the upper row of buttons, go down to the word intersect, press enter. It says first curve, just press enter. No, it says second curve, just press enter. And it says guess, press enter one more time. And it shows us our intersection, or x value, is 1.66 repeating. Now if you'll notice, the problem was asking us what is the value of x in the solution. So since it's 1.66, we just need to find out which answer choice matches 1.66. So to do that, I'm going to get my calculator, press the second mode button to quit out of that screen. We know it can't be a because 1 is not 1.66. So let's try 5 divided by 3. And that's 1.66, so the answer choice is B. Let's go ahead and check the other ones just to make sure. 8 divided by 3. No, that's not going to work. What about 7 over 3? 7 divided by 3. No, that's not going to work either. So there you go. You've solved a system of equations using the TI84 graphing calculator and using the second trace intersection feature after typing it into your y equals screen.